Anthony here. This is a video on support and resistance, and it's suited to beginners. However, if you've been trading for a while, maybe watch the video, because I'm sure there's going to be some little nuggets of information that would be useful. So this is trending. Look at the trajectory of the trend. 45-degree angle. This is the first thing that I'll be looking for. Now, we're going to draw a picture perfect trend. Here it is. Support and resistance basically is previous high becomes support. Previous high becomes support, etc. And in a bearish trend, it's the opposite. What you want to do is mark up these swings, as you can see here. So it's swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high. Here's a swing low, a swing high, and draw your trend lines, retraces I should say, expansion, retrace, like so. And then this one happened to head south. So you can see clearly these swing points. Now there's an easy way to determine an entry point if you want to get involved with this trend, and we're going to look at that in a minute. But you can see here, this is a picture perfect trend. We've got our expansion, retrace, etc. And we've got these swing points. So how do you know where to enter? Well, a rule of thumb would be to pick up your Fibonacci tool. Let's start with this swing low. So you pull it from swing low to swing high, and your entry is going to be in this blue zone, the 61.8 to 786 fib. I'm going to place a stop loss under the previous low, and I'm going to go 1 to 2 risk reward by default. That's it there. You can see ratio 2, so we're looking at a 2R. So if you did this throughout this entire trend, you'd find that these trades would be profitable. Swing low to swing high, the pull back into the 61.8, there it is. Again, swing low, well, we'll grab this one, swing low, swing high. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 profitable trades through this trend, and then this one here, at some stage you probably get taken out, or if you manage your trades well and you notice that this is giving us a lower high and you've entered here, well, you might perhaps exit in profit up around here if you read this chart well. In any case, you only need a 34% win rate with a 1 to 2 risk reward to be slightly better than break even. We can see here that there's 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in profit, possibly one that didn't make it, and you're well and truly in front. The secret to this is the trend. You want to see these lows moving or trending at a 45-degree angle, and this is relative to any time frame. Preferably make sure that the 4-hour and the daily are trending in the same direction, and you can take the same trades on the lower time frame, bullish on an hourly, 15-minute, etc. I'd love to hear your comments, thoughts. By all means, contribute some ideas. With that, that's my take on support and resistance. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.